Whoa! Yeah. I just have a picture. Where's my phone?
I just love winning.
Still recording. And it's true, guys. I love win, you know. So that's the truth. And then I hate lose more than I like to win. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
I would like to congratulate Romulo for the World Championship and.
Without you guys, and also we have a couple bumps, but you know what? That's how the true champ is made, you know. So you can't quit. You can, you know, like you can't give up in your dreams. And then, you know, like we have a lot of the guys here. They compete. They probably didn't reach the you know, like the goal this time. But you know, it's how strong you are to keep trying, and then you know, be able to accomplish your goals. And then you know, like I know a lot of people didn't believe that I couldn't make it happen again. You know, like I was a lot of underestimated. But you know what? I really like to be underdog, and then people underestimate me. That's what I get my best, you know. And then you know, like I just don't give up. I got second place one time, second place. You know, a lot of people would be happy with the results that I had in the last few years, you know. But you know what? I'm a winner. I won a first place. I hate get second. You know? Just put the silver medals there so I can look them every day and then hate them even more so I don't get silver again. I get gold, you know. So and then that is not enough for me. You know, I'm still have like a lot of more to do it. And then, you know, like I'm going to train harder to do better next year. You know, I want to get this gold in the open weight. I want to be like on the Hall of Fame of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I want to be 5 times world champion in my weight class. And then I want to be a world champion in the open weight. Then I want to do it. I show you guys that always possible. You know, that's how I'm going to do it for you guys. You know, so and then if you guys have a dream to become a world champion, whatever it is, you just make it happen, you know. That everybody here can make it happen, you know. I see these young guys. To be honest with you guys, I have passed a point that, you know, like that I don't know, I don't want to do that. But I have these young guys here, you know, like drive me to be on the top again, you know, and then they give me a lot of desire to make it happen, to show them that, you know, like you can do it. I can do it, anybody can do it. And then they watch that, they was that watching, you know, like I said, you know, like when a lot of people didn't believe that I couldn't make it happen again. I don't even know why people didn't believe. You know, because I'm freaking 8 times world champion, you know. I've been winning everything. They should believe me always. And then they should believe me next year. If they don't believe, I make it happen again. You know, believe or not. I'm going to eat like a half this cake, and then you guys can have half in a few minutes. Thank you guys so much. You know, like I said, you know, like you guys are a big part of that. Big, huge. You know, like 80% is for you guys, you know, like I just want to show you guys that it's possible, you know. So if I don't have you guys here, I probably was going, you know, to do something else and, you know, like not even be competing. But I want to show you guys. I want to show the young guys, they train hard, they compete, they can make it happen, you know. Not make it happen as a blue belt, but make it happen as a black belt. I don't come with the family that is a fighter. They don't even do sports, you know. So I did it all because I believe it. You know, it's all about believe, have faith, believe, and then achieve, you know. And then that's what I pass to those guys. All these guys, they come here from Brazil. I don't teach them technique. They have their own professor. They have their own people. They do that. The job with show them technique. I just do one thing. I make them believe that it's possible. You just work hard. I make them believe, and then you see, we have a world champ here, open weight. You know, like I have few bumps that you know, like the tournaments like that, sometimes you don't win, but you know, like I have a great competitors here. They did very well, and then I'm pretty sure next time they're gonna accomplish. You know, they don't quit on these kids. You know, they here, they will be back, and then they will win. They will make it happen. I trust them, and then I make them believe on them. That's what I do it. You know, you want to know the secret? You want to know what I do to them? I make them believe. That's what I do it. They know that. You know, I make him believe. I make him believe. I make you all believe that's possible. You know, that's the only thing that I do to them. I don't teach them. I don't even know if I teach him one technique in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You know, but I teach the mindset of, you know, be first. You know, and then I know they all got that. They go back to Brazil. They already know what to do it. You know, they have their own professors. I don't want to be professor. Nobody there. I have my students. But if you come here to train, I'm gonna make you believe. You train hard. I make you believe. You know, I make you have faith. I make you believe on the training. I make you believe you can be first. You know, so that's only what I do to them. All right, guys. That's it. That's it.